Measuring Techniques in Baking. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about measuring techniques and share some tips on how to measure ingredients accurately in your baking. Accurate measuring is crucial to achieving consistent and delicious results in your baking. When we measure ingredients, we need to make sure we're measuring them correctly, whether it's using measuring cups or scales. So let's dive in and take a look at some tips for measuring ingredients accurately. Firstly, let's talk about measuring dry ingredients. One common mistake is to scoop dry ingredients straight from the container using a measuring cup. This can lead to overpacking and result in too much flour or sugar is used, which can affect the final outcome of the recipe. To measure dry ingredients accurately, we should spoon the ingredient into the measuring cup and level it off with a flat edge, such as a knife or spatula. Secondly, let's talk about measuring liquids. For liquids, it's important to use a liquid measuring cup. These cups are designed to accurately measure liquids, with markings on the side that indicate the exact amount of liquid you're measuring. To use a liquid measuring cup, place it on a flat surface, pour in the liquid, and make sure it's level with the appropriate marking on the side. Another tip for measuring liquids is to measure them at eye level. This will ensure that you're measuring the exact amount needed, as opposed to guessing or estimating the amount. Now, let's talk about measuring by weight. Using a digital scale to measure ingredients by weight can be a more accurate and precise way of measuring ingredients. Measuring by weight eliminates any errors that may occur with using measuring cups, such as packing or leveling inaccuracies. When measuring by weight, make sure to use the tare function to zero out the weight of the container before adding the ingredients. Lastly, make sure to follow the recipe instructions and use the correct measuring utensils specified in the recipe. Using the wrong size measuring cups or spoons can also lead to inaccurate measurements. So, there you have it, some tips for measuring ingredients accurately in your baking. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you want us to make more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our more informative videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.